In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message in Microsoft Teams. If you sent a message by mistake, or you simply want to remove something from a conversation, Microsoft Teams makes that process quick and simple. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it in a clear and easy way so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat section. This is where your direct conversations and message threads are stored. Once you're in chat, find the conversation that contains the message you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct chat, especially if you have several active conversations open. Next, locate the specific message you want to remove. When you find it, move your mouse over that message. This hover action is important because it reveals additional message options that are hidden by default. If you don't see the controls right away, just keep your cursor directly over the message for a second. Once those options appear, click the three dots. This opens the More Options menu for that message. In Microsoft Teams, the three-dot menu is where you'll usually find actions related to a specific message, such as editing or deleting it. So this is the place to go whenever you need to manage something you've sent. From that menu, click Delete. As soon as you do, the message will be removed from the chat. This is helpful if you want to clean up a conversation, correct an accidental send, or remove outdated information. Just keep in mind that deleting a message affects what appears in the chat, so it's a good idea to double check that you've selected the right one before confirming the action. And that's all it takes to delete a message in Microsoft Teams. The process is very straightforward once you know where to look. Go to chat, hover over the message, click the three dots, and then select Delete. If you're following along on your own screen, it can help to move slowly the first time so you can recognize where each option appears. After that, deleting messages becomes a very fast task. Hopefully, this made the process easy to understand and gave you a clear path to managing your messages in Teams.